Hey guys, Dennis here with Source One Environmental. Here to tell you about another great Quadex product called Chimney Guard. This is a flexible manhole chimney coating. It's a 100% solid epoxy urethane hybrid. It's a flexible coating on surfaces that experience heavy freeze, thaw, or traffic. So this is a pre-measured kit. It's a part A and a part B. So you're going to combine the two. You're going to pour the B into part A. You're going to use it all and combine it all at once. One kit is designed to cover the top 24 inches of the manhole or the chimney. This is a trowel applied application. It's got superior adhesion to steel, concrete, and brick. Rule of thumb when you're coating over steel is you're going to need a near white blast. That's generally required. Another great product, like I said, come check out our Quadex products. Any questions, call our customer service line, check out our website, or view some of our other YouTube videos, and thank you so much for watching.